why did I take up psych? It was really weird. I went to the University of Waikato, and I initially enrolled into a law program, and the law program at Waikato at the time wasn't available. They were in the process, so we were encouraged to do our second major, because you do LLB, BA or BCom. So I was encouraged to do my second major, so I said I'll just do psych, because I was interested in forensic and issues. So I did psych, and that was it. It all started in 2006. I think that's when I first engaged with Fiji Rugby Union as a mental skills trainer. And that was way back then when the Fiji Rugby Union started their high performance unit. So I came in then, and I just developed a relationship with Fiji Rugby Union and players over time. And then in 2016, I applied and got through the current job that I have, but with Pacific Rugby players. This job is challenging. It's not a 9-to-5 type of job. I get contacted by players in the weekend, late at night, and that's fine. That's part of the job. And one of the challenges is helping new players, and particularly our young players in the development player group, settle in, learn the ropes, learn to be punctual, for example, be on time, learn the importance of all those little habits that they need to develop in order to be successful in this elite environment. Family is crucial. Family, and when I say family, it's not only just the player and their partner, or if they have a young family, but the wider family. It's so crucial to their success on and off the field. Absolutely crucial.